Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how revenue recognition and resource costing planning sheet works within a project planning board in the project's application of KEBS. Once the user has navigated to the project's application, he or she can click on any project that has been displayed and in the detail section, migrate to the planning board and click on the data option from the list of options. Here, we are posted with three options: the revenue recognition, the resource costing, and the filters. Here, by clicking on the revenue recognition, all the changes with respect to the revenue and costing that has been done for this particular project are updated successfully. The user can click on the resource costing option and he or she is posted with a pivot table that is displayed where the user can check the cost, the gross margin, and all the other revenue particulars for the particular project and can also manipulate the data for the same by dragging and dropping various fields and expanding the same. These data are based upon the resource costing that has been done within the project. This gives an overall financial view for the project manager or the financial stakeholder for the project. Various filters can be added, such as the plan versus actual, all the data for this current financial year, this month, or the previous month. The user can also edit the view. The user can save the particular view which the user has created by clicking on the Save As button and providing it with a name. The changes can be cleared by clicking on the Clear button. The field chooser can be used in order to select extra fields to be present within the pivot table and also manipulate the order of the existing fields. The data that is present within the resource costing board can be saved as an Excel sheet and viewed as well. Finally, filters can be applied for each category of activity, the various types, statuses, and modules that are present within the project planning board. This particular filter shows all the activities for which the is billing is toggled on, that is, all the milestones that are present within the particular project. This can be useful to retrieve the various activities and items based upon condition. That is it for the data section within the project planning board. Thank you for watching.